in Texas, Armstrong.
I wasn't expecting that.
Gallum, Jeff Smith, Donnelly, Gray, Hansford, Hartley, Hill, Hutchinson, Lipscomb, Moore, Country, Oldham, Potter, Randall, Roberts, Sherman, and Wheeler. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The 3 p.m. area weather roundup. At Rick Husband International Airport in Amarillo, mostly sunny.
That was
Temperatures
unexpected. They said around 5 and it's not even 4.